If your Chromebook screen suddenly looks sideways or upside down, it can be confusing at first, especially if it happened accidentally from a keyboard shortcut. On the other hand, sometimes you might actually want to rotate the screen intentionally, like when using your Chromebook in tablet mode or adjusting your viewing angle. The good thing is that Chrome OS makes it easy to rotate the display whenever you need, but the option isn't always obvious if you don't know the shortcut or where the setting is located. Once you understand both the quick shortcut and the manual method, you can rotate your screen in seconds and switch it back just as easily. Try these. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus refresh key together. Step 2. Each press rotates the screen by 90 degrees. Step 3. Repeat the shortcut until the screen returns to normal. Step 4. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Device, then Displays. Step 5. Find the orientation option and select your preferred angle. Step 6. Confirm and exit settings to apply the rotation.